Okay, one last visit to the Quizitron.
Quizitron 9000.
Question 1. What are some good ways to celebrate your newly acquired skills? Check all that apply. A. Pool party. B. Nap. And C. Build something awesome. And the answer is all of the above. Question 2. After you've celebrated, you could celebrate some more. True or false? The answer? True. And question 3. What's the punchline to that panda joke? A. They were out of bamboo. It's that black and white. B. They decided to enforce their hitherto disregarded restrictions on cuteness. Or C. Because they tend to create a pandemonium. The answer is none of the above. To fully appreciate the punchline, you have to hear the whole joke. So here it is. A panda walks into a restaurant and is seated and brought a menu. The waiter comes, takes the panda's order. The panda is very polite, but when the waiter brings the check, the panda pulls out a gun, shoots him in the chest, gets up, and walks out of the restaurant. One of the other waiters goes to the manager and says, "What the heck just happened?" And the manager said, "Well, I don't know a lot about pandas, let's look it up." So he pulls out his phone and starts reading and says, right here it says pandas, eats, shoots, and leaves. And let's spin up the overachiever rater one last time. The challenge is continue a lifetime of learning. Relish in the joy of discovery and find ways to let your ever-growing skills move the world. Remember that there's value in what you do, and that the value you have to offer will continue to grow with practice. Know that if you want it enough and spend enough time with it, you can develop mastery of almost anything. Good luck and enjoy the learning. Shall we say challenge complete? Let's press it.
Working at Drupalers is quite hard, and you've done a tremendous job dealing with message after message from your demanding boss. Working hard, working late has paid off because now you're great at Drupal 8. Thanks for all the time that you spent developing projects for Magnificent, a forward-thinking company which was founded by Phil Terry. It helps people to face what frightens them. Phil, along with his intern Zeb Astor, have helped so many frightened women and men. It's been so very intense, and there's been a whole lot of commotion, but you've handled it well, which is why you're getting a promotion. You should be so proud of yourself. Come on, stand up taller. You're gonna have a long, successful career.